So, I've already tried this twice. I hit the daily post limit because this video right here, you guys go check it out. I'll leave the link in the description of this. This video right here is an hour long. So you had to do some verification steps. But if you were to go to upload, so select, I'm gonna show you, let's say, let's select the right one just in case it works because I already sent in the verification. Okay. Oh, so it doesn't work, right? Here's a little back door. If you had a video already pre-existing, you can use that video. So I will use that video, and we'll see if I'm no guarantee it's gonna let me load it right now, but it's the same video, so I'm just going to use that one. Yeah, and we'll see what happens right now. Alright, now let's check it out. What? Sick, chat. So yeah, that's it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Alright guys, it's your boy, Father. Peace.